Today I'll show you May, a Thai comedy film. Spoilers ahead, watch out and take care. The film begins with a character named Pong explaining there's no such thing as social equity in this world because everything is classified into social categories. In his school, he divides the students into 6 categories: average students, bullies, nerds, athletes, hotties and team captains. The team captains are the most popular ones. A guy named Fame is the most handsome and hot of all on the team. He's every girl's crush because he's the best at everything. Pong is one of the average students, all labeled as invisible and are bullied. Pong has a crush on his classmate Mink Wakanda, the next president of the gold team. He looks at Mink from afar every day and draws pictures of her in a sketchbook. Pong also animates himself as a hero in his sketchbook and is pleased with the voiceover, energetic and slightly panicked. Oh my goodness. Pong's morning, epic fail. Rushing to school, thinking he's nailed it, he submits his sketchbook instead of the assignment. Cue dramatic music. Turns out, this sketchbook is filled with a fantasy world where he and Mink are, shall we say, extra close? The whole class, including Mink, is gawking. Mink literally throws the sketchbook and Pong makes a beeline for the storeroom, hiding from the fallout. Then, the phone rings. It's Pira with the bad news. Everyone's seen it. And plot twist. May's the culprit who showed Mink the sketchbook. Pong confronts her, and May's response? I saw Mink's name. Talk about drama. Alright, buckle up buttercups, because things are about to get shocking. So, Pong, bless his jealous little heart, grabs May's hand in a fit of pique, but zap. She's like a human stun gun. May bolts, leaving Fame's photo behind. Plot twist. Seems she's got a secret crush too. Pong, nursing his singed ego, becomes an amateur animator and blasts the school with a cartoon expose of May. Humiliated, May begs him to stop, but Pong's all, gimme the taser. Another grab, another jolt. May's headed. Fine, she says, spread the gossip, I'm outta here. Daddy-O asks about a school swap and bam. Fade to black. Flashback in which the doctor tells May that if her heart rate rises, May will produce an electric charge. May generates an electric current whenever she is excited or scared. So one day her father gives her a heart rate measuring watch and tells her that it'll beep when her heart rate is at its peak. Despite this, she has changed school several times. Back at school, May is about to leave when she notices Pong collecting and burning all of May's sketches. When May notices this, she approaches Pong and inquires why he burns it. Pong responds that he does not want anyone to leave the school because of him and will keep it a secret. At the same time, fire accidentally catches up and May quickly extinguishes the fire with a fire extinguisher. Then she reveals her watch, claiming it warns her when she's electrically charged. Later, May watches Fame play football. The ball then moves towards May. A few moments later, Fame then approaches her for the ball and he also invites her to join his relay team, but May's heart rate rises and she flees. On the other hand, Fame follows her and at one point she yells at him to leave her alone. Fame then walks away, telling her to meet with him if she changes her mind. On the other hand, Pong meets Mink in the medical room with some food, but Mink is angry and throws the food away. After that, he goes to May and asks her to electrocute him. He collapses unconscious. As soon as May electrocutes him, Pong regains consciousness after a while and dines with May and her family. While washing the dishes, May confides in Pong that Fame asked her to join his relay team. Pong, who was listening, tells her that there might be something between May and Fame causing me to be excited and produce current. The next day, Pong forces May to speak with Fame. Fame then takes May to the ground to practice the relay race. Because of her problem, she requests that Fame send her at the end Mink's team on. Get this, Mink's cheer squad's luck in a little sparse. When Pong notices, Mink's face is priceless. Rolling on the floor laughing, so Pong, in a heroic, slightly misguided move, storms a class full of future doctors. Stethoscope, they think cheerleading is a waste? Oh, it's on. Pong, in a stroke of genius or desperation, offers to do their homework. Exploding head, he drags May into this artistic abyss, where she discovers Pong's hidden sketchbook talent. Paint palette, show it to Mink. She cries. But wait, there's more. These brainiacs have Pong cleaning, coding, the works. Soap May, she's his super sidekick. Fast forward, qualification match. Party popper, the toppers join. Mink's ecstatic. Then, drama. Fame's about to get zapped, and May's heart? Boom. Red heart, she snatches that baton, saving the day. Woman running. Hold on to your hats, folks. Running dash after a nail-biting finish, they snatch victory, but ouch, May's down. Face with head bandage, Fame's all-charm post-race, but May? She's outed there, hearts doing the tango. Dancer Pong swoops in at the locker room, and bam. Hug attack. Smiling face with open hands, poor Pong's shell-shocked. Next day, May drops a bombshell. Fame's invited her to practice. Starstruck, cue outfit crisis. Do I look ugly running? She asks. Pong, bless him, jokes, yes. Tears of joy, friendship goals soaring. Then, plot twist. Pog's chanting, I like Mink, but guess who's haunting his thoughts? May. Heart and arrow fast forward, Fame breaks May's watch at practice. Watch hoops, but hey, new watch promise. Drama, laughs, and blossoming friendships, buckle up. Alright, buckle up, buttercups, cause this is a wild ride. So, Pong is smooth, right? He gets a classmate to hand over his sketchbooks to the girl of his dreams, Mink. She flips through, super flattered, but she's gotta shut him down, like, sorry, dude, not that Mink. Ouch. Cue the bullies, mocking Pong and turning his face into a Jackson Pollock reject. Next up, we've got Fame confessing his undying love to May in a torrential downpour. So romantic. May's heart is doing the cha-cha, but bam. Electrocution. Talk about a shocking confession. May bolts, Pong spies her, and gives chase. May, totally bummed, locks herself away. But Pong? He's a freaking animation whisperer. He slides sketches under the door, basically saying, hey, being quirky is cool. It works. May emerges, and Pong drops some wisdom. True love conquers all, even, electrocution. Did the next day Mink takes May with her asking for assistance, but Mink locks Mai inside the cage where a gang of rude girls gangs up on her. They're all telling May that she shouldn't be hanging out with Fame. They're about to beat her up when Pong arrives to rescue her. However, the girls also band together to beat Pong. Mink finally admits her feelings for Fame and expresses her jealousy of the other girls. Following this, the girls are about to beat Mink, but Fame gets in the way and is injured. The group apologizes to Fame before departing along with Mink. Pong also gives Fame and May some space so they can talk. May reveals her secret to Fame, but Fame truly loves her and is ready to accept her. Fame then asks her to be his girlfriend. On the other hand, Pong approaches Mink, who is depressed and sad. Pong consoles her by telling her that she is a fantastic person who genuinely cares about others. Mink values Pong because he still cares about her. Later, May tells Pong everything Fame said to her, but Pong isn't happy after listening to it. May also inquires about Pong and Mink, to which Pong responds that Mink liked his drawing but not him. Pong becomes emotional while speaking, but he encourages May to win the competition. The next day, Pong stays at home on competition day because he believes his presence would not make a difference. He is unhappy that May will be dating Fame. He then returns to a study table and observes May sketch. Pong tries to persuade himself that a girl like May deserves a boy like Fame rather than himself, but suddenly he expresses his boredom with sketches and walks towards the school. The relay race begins at school and Pong arrives beside Fame, challenging Fame to the race. Pong competes in unofficial races with Fame. He also shows May his sketchbook, saying it's all about her. He also tells her not to win the race because it will indicate that May and Fame are together. May on the other hand ignores him and wins the race. Pong is upset and is taken away by the teacher, who accuses him of embarrassing his entire group. Later, May approaches Fame to inform him that she cannot be his girl. Fame responds that he already understood during the race. He says that her electric current was caused by Pong rather than him. After that, Fame advises her to follow her heart. At the end ceremony, May meets Pong and tells him that he can show the sketchbook to her even if he doesn't rush in the race, implying that she can accompany him. Finally, all of the students hold hands to celebrate the end of the ceremony. Pong also has May's hands and is May's nervous, and as a result she emits an electric current, electrocuting everyone. Pong expresses that the ranking no longer matters to him, but he is